Let us find a solution to this interesting question. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. The question reads, point B lies on line segment AC such that the length of AB is 7 more than twice the length of BC. If the length of AC is 55 units, what is the length of AB? Let us start with a sketch. We have a line segment here, AC, right? The total length of this AC from the question is 55. And we have a point situated somewhere around, which is point B. According to the question, it stated that the length of AB is, which is equal to 7 more than twice the length of BC. All right. If the length of AC is 55, then what is the length of AB? One thing we know for sure is AB, from A to B, if you add it to B to C, right, that will give us the total AC. So BC will be equal to AB minus 7 divided by 2, right? AB minus 7 divided by 2. So wherever we have BC, we should replace it with that. So AB plus BC, which is that, AB minus 7 divided by 2 equal to what? AC, which is 55. 55. So now we have equation in terms of AB alone. This time this is 2AB, 2AB plus AB minus 7 divided by 2 equal to 55. Let's multiply every single side by 2. 2AB plus AB is 3AB minus 7 equal to 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 5, 10, 11. Add 7 on both sides. You have 3AB equals 117. So finally, where should I do that? Too rough, right? It's too rough. We are looking for the length of AB. So AB is equal to 117 divided by 3. AB is equal to what? 3 into 11 is 3. That is 9, right? Remain 2. 3 into 27 is 9. Wow. So therefore, the length of line AB is 39 units.